I'm going to show you how to make a sticker that we're going to use to make an etched wine glass. So the first thing we need to do is you're going to open up your Cricut design space and go to a new project. Once you're in there, you're going to click on images. We're going to search for a bear because that is the one I want to use. So there's a bunch of free images here. This is the one I would like to use. So you click on it and you hit insert image. There we go, simple as that. So I'm going to adjust the size. We're making a wine glass. So the size I need for the wine glass is just a little bit smaller than this. It's going to be 3.481. There we go, by 1.946. I need to make 2 glasses, so I am going to click on this. On a Mac, it's Command C for copy. On a PC, it's Control C. So I'm going to hit Command C and then Command V for paste. And there we go, I've got 2. And it doesn't matter where they're at on the screen, it will just situate itself on the page when you hit Make It. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Make It. And it shows me on my board what those are going to look like. So I'm just going to space those out a little bit more just so that I've got more room around them for when I make my etching. So I'm just going to take a scrap of vinyl and make it 4 inches long by 12 inches long. So it will cover this part of my mat. I'm going to go to continue. So you can use any kind of vinyl for this. I just have a matte vinyl. You can use permanent, removable. Obviously a glittery one or something like that won't work because it won't be smooth, but anything that's smooth will work. I've used all kinds of different ones. My specific machine, for some reason, I have to always put it on more pressure. I don't know why, it just doesn't cut all the way through if I don't. So more pressure, and then I'm going to go ahead and load up my mat, and I will switch the camera over to the machine so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and just cut my vinyl to the 4-inch mark. Just as any scrap piece of vinyl you've got will work. And then you just go ahead and hit the flashing button. Make sure it sucks it in there. The Cricut Make button. Arrow again, that's the unload button, and you've got your cutouts right there. So I'll show you what to do with those next. Okay, so here is my cutout, and so we're going to want to weed it is what it's called. This one is the weeding tool, and you're going to take out what you do want to be etched. So we're going to take out the main body part and leave the rest because that is basically our stencil. Go ahead and do that with both stickers, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so I've got my 2 stickers there that I'm going to use, and I've got a video with more thorough directions on the wine etching process, but basically you're going to take a piece of this transfer tape, just peel the backing off, so you're left with the sticky part. This is sticky. We're going to stick the sticky part to our sticker. That's going to help us with the transferring process from this to the glass. So we just press down really well, and things like the little eyeball, it'll just help make that stay with the image where it should be. Now I'm going to take the backing off of the vinyl that I used to make the sticker. So just going to peel this back. Make sure the little eyeball sticks on there and all the little parts stay where they're supposed to. There we go. So now this is the sticky side. this is the sticky side of the transfer tape. Okay? So we're going to flip that over and we're going to want to make it stick to the wine glass. So here is my prepared glass. Take your sticker, stick it down to the glass, rub it down really well, make sure everything sticks. And wine glasses are kind of tricky because sometimes you get these little folds in there, so you'll have to adjust that once you pull the tape off. But we're just going to push this down really well for now. And take a tennis ball. It's great for rounded surfaces. Press it down really well. And now we're going to pull the transfer tape off, leaving the sticker on the glass. So you're just going to want to push down really well. Get all the little corners and edges tucked in. And there you have it. And my other video will give you much more details on how to do the etching process. There we go. Thank you.